Yo, up YouTube, it's Blaz, aka Scott, coming to you live from my apartment. I went to the White Plains card show, bought a bunch of singles, bought a couple of boxes, watching the Nick game. They're getting killed. And I'm gonna bust Crown Royale right now. This product's pretty bad, but all of you know the Blake Griffin cards are going up like crazy. I think the Blake out of this one goes for like $300. So you get 4 packs, I think 4 hits. Let's see what happens. It's a jersey. I think they put fake outs in it. It's a fake out. It's not bad. At 199, Eric Gordon auto. Bunch of inserts. It's not bad. Ooh, a triple patch. Ooh, this is sick. 13/25. Blake Griffin, DeJuan Blair, Taj Gibson. I think it's Blake Griffin's number. 13/25. I think that's Blake Griffin's number. I thought it was 13. So that's a really nice. Patches are pretty hard in this product. So anything Blake Griffin's good right now. This is a round hit. Ooh, another patch. It's not a good player. Corey Maggette patch out of 25, but I never saw. Wow. What is this, like a hot box? And the last pack. This is actually a good card, but it's not the player obviously we're looking for. Drew Holiday. He's actually number to 599. So it's a really good box. I'm really happy with it. If you don't want any of these cards, let me know. Alright, peace.